Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy and Daddy. I made a card for you. I'm going to read it for you. It's filled with hearts. I draw here. Dear Mommy and Daddy, thank you so much for raising me. I love you so much and thank you for working hard and thank you for everything. One day when I grow up, I will take care of you. I hope, Daddy, you go back in Philippines. Love you.